In this video, let's see how SolidWorks Electrical turns a schematic into a 3D view. Basically, we have devices here in schematic. I'm gonna route this wire between the two, and we want to see how will the same components that you're seeing here with these specific connection points get routed. This is the same components that we were just talking about, and the connections are going to be from this transmitter, ground, and receiver to corresponding connections in the next device. Before we get into how the routing works, just a simple overview of understanding how the connections. To understand the connections, we need to go back to the schematic view, and if you select the symbol and look at the component properties in the manufacturer part circuit, we have 3 sets of circuit, and this one has these connection points: receiver, transmitter, and ground. If we were to look at the same information but now from in the symbols view, in this third set, our transmitter, receiver, and ground are located here. A receiver, transmitter, ground. Let's look at the part itself. If you open the part, the connection points that we were talking about are exactly here, the same ones: transmitter, ground, and receiver. How do they get added? You select your reference, select the part. In the reference field, enter the manufacturer name. It opens up, you select it, and there they are. Receiver, that's the one. Transmitter, you place there, and the ground. Now that you have this information, you have seen all 3 ways of looking at the same connections, whether it is schematic or 3D. We are now going to get out of here. Now let's run the route. Here we go. Route wires. Let it run. Okay, let's take a closer look at how the wires got connected to the first controller here. There it is. This is the second one. In this overview, you saw how to turn a schematic into 3D wire. If you or someone you know likes to test the concept, please send me a schematic at aarononsuri@gmail.com. Also, feel free to set up a remote desktop share tutorial so we can go over how it works.